Okay. Thursday, RTH session. We opened, tested high to 17, 37.17. Sold off down to 704. And then we balanced. This was scenario 2. Although my scenario 2, this is 704 as far as we got yesterday. The high of Wednesday. My scenario 2 was for going inside the Wednesday's range, testing the value area high and the VPOC. So we didn't have any of that. We just had a 17-point range yesterday, scenario 2. Today, in blue, scenario 1 for me is test to the overnight mid at 11, 7, 37.11. Find support and continue to the upside. Taking out the overnight high. And then extending up to 28 and 32. That's scenario 1. Delta is really positive, strong. So, and we found buyers in the overnight, and we jumped, and we held on the upper side of the range. Scenario 2. We open and we test below the overnight high. So we test up to 2022 outside of Friday's range and then drop back into the range. Thursday's range. We go back in Thursday's range and then test the RTH point of control yesterday, which is at 12.13, which is at the same place as the overnight VPOC, and continue lower. Value area low from yesterday is 08. Test that. 08, somewhere there. We have an LVN at around 04. Test that, and finish at the century figure, which is pretty much overnight low. So take out the overnight low and balance after that. That's scenario 2. Both days, yesterday and today, we have these distributions which are almost overlapping. VPOCs are overlapping, so we're in balance. So we test high, test low, high, low, high, and test low. So being in balance is one of this kind of stuff. Moves. So scenario 3 and 4. If we burst up to the upside, because it's called Witching Friday, and then people sorting out positions before the end of the year, full trading week, end of the last full trading week of the year. So scenario 3, take us up to 35. Which is one volume up, sigma. Scenario 3 and scenario 4 is the opposite direction. If we dive, test outside the range is just one ticket, fall back into the range, cross it quickly, test from below the century figure and extend down to the one vol sigma down at 80, 88, 75, scenario 4. which is also the value area low of Thursday, of Wednesday. Basically get into the value area of Wednesday. $88, yes. And then the VPOC of Wednesday is at 93.75. 93.75. 94. Oh, wait. And that is that.